Hello, everyone. My name is Alistair Royan. I'm the Regional Recruitment Coordinator for Loyalist College, Canada. Loyalist College is located in the Ontario province by the beautiful Bay of Quinte region in a city called Belleville. Loyalist has a wide range of 70 plus full-time programs, both diploma as well as PG diploma options offered at our main campus in Belleville and also at our Port Hope campus. Therefore, we at Loyalist are very happy to work with Canam Consultants, one of our most trusted and long-standing partners. Canam is a strong agency partner who provide excellent students to fulfill their academic ambitions of studying in Canada and at Loyalist College. Therefore, kindly book an appointment with Loyalist College through your Canam counselors to meet up with me from the 19th November to the 28th of November on a date and time slot convenient to you. So we are really looking forward to seeing you all there soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.